One of the cheapest, low-cost ways to get into real estate is something called wholesaling. Today we're going to go over the process of wholesaling, and at the end of this video, I'd like to know your feedback on it. What's going on, guys? My name is Raoul with ATX Realty 737, and today we're going to go over the topic called wholesaling. Now, before we go into if it's right or wrong or ethical and different things like that, let's discuss what wholesaling is. For example, you have a home under distress for whatever reason. They know they're going to get kicked out their home soon and they need help. A wholesaler come knock on your door, offer you $100,000 for your home, sometimes even less. Take that home under contract, run the numbers on it, blast it out to a group of investors and say, hey, I got a home under contract for $130,000. The investors say, hey, that's a good deal. He goes in and buy that home, drop off $130,000 at the title company. The wholesaler, aka Bird Dog, the one who knocks on your door, he goes in and take that $30,000 while you, the seller, go pick up that $100,000. You're out of distress. The investor has this money. He's gonna flip it or do whatever you're gonna do with it, but that's not your problem anymore. Is that ethical? Is it wrong that that Bird Dog, aka wholesaler, who advertised as buying your home, got away with $30,000? The last thing I want to do is cast a dark cloud over wholesaling. There is some benefits with wholesaling because some homes won't be able to get funded with a traditional loan. So if you ever find yourself in a situation where the home, it's not in good shape or different things like that, still call on a real estate professional, have your home run comps on it, get the market analysis on it, so you can make an educated decision when saying, okay, I accept that cash offer. So I hope you learned something. And if you really want to see how wholesaling look when it's all said and done, just take a trip to East Austin.